You know, I thought more people would be out here. Maybe I'm a little too optimistic. But then again, we do have other things we can be working on, involving this thing right here. I just pulled it out of the snow. We grow these things in the snow. And now we shall head to the studio. Get ready to plug in some chords and put some soul, sprinkle it into the sound. Hi, I'm Zach, or Z-Man the Vegan, and in this video, I'm going to talk about updates for my dream job and how the snowstorm has affected it. So, I'm at Paradise Studio, on the rise on the road, for my friend and slash boss, Jeff. He picked me up yesterday, and we were planning on going and talking to some venues and making a video showing the process of getting paid gigs, which would have been a possible source of income to help reach the $1,000 this month. Since for those of you that follow this channel, you know I have a 30-day vlog series going on where I either make $1,000 from my dream job in 1 month or I go back to a day job. And so the snow, in a way, has closed that door, but there are other doors that we're opening and in the process of focusing time and energy on, because thankfully I have multiple sources of income from my dream job and multiple projects and things that can pay off. So one thing we did is we finished mastering the album, which means once I get home, I'll be able to upload it to Spotify and everywhere online and actually have a date where it's released. And other things, we are working on new music and videos and content to market this. So that was one update, is here very soon, once I go back home, I'll be able to put the album out online and set a release date. And the other update that could possibly change everything and make the challenge of making $1,000 a month or go back to a day job irrelevant, that update can be found on the long form vlog video I upload today. So if you want to find out about that, watch that. I'll have it in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. For the animals, woo!